Physics Maths Booklet, question 18 of Unit 1. Now we have refractive index for glass of 1.8. So shine a light through the glass, and it is a prism, but that's not very important here. What is the smallest angle for total internal reflection? So just a reminder of what's going on. We're going through a glass prism and we're thinking about total internal reflection. So here's the surface, that's the outside air, and this is the glass. So we're inside a prism, and don't worry about the shape. There's three situations that we could have. We could have a situation where the light is coming at that sort of angle, and our light ray would then bend a bit that way. So there's our normal. So it would travel fast through air. So that angle there, we're thinking about refraction. There could be a situation where if we shine a light at this sort of angle, quite shallow angle, then we're going to get reflection. So this would be reflection. That's just refraction. And there's our normal. Or we could have a situation in between where our light ray is heading there, and it actually neither, or it just kind of goes between the two, where it would go along there. And so any angle that's shallower than this angle here, so we've got this angle here, then it would reflect. So this is our critical angle. And we're going to use our critical angle equation. So what do we know? Well, we're given one fact, refractive index for glass. So refractive index for glass, n equals 1.8. That's what we're given. We have got an equation that you've learnt. So n equals 1 over sine c. We're trying to find c, so we're going to have to rearrange this. So I'm going to bring sine c up. So n times by sine c equals 1. And I want to get rid of this n, so I'm just going to go sine c equals 1 divided by n. And as a starter, that'll do us. We can now put in our n. So sine c equals 1 divided by 1.8. Let's do that. Nope. So 1 divided by 1.8, and that is 0.5 recurring. So sine c is 0.5 recurring, and so I'm going to reverse that sign. So c equals sine minus 1 of that 0.5 recurring. So I'm just going to press shift sine minus 1, and that's going to give me my answer of 33.7. So I could maybe round that off to 34 degrees as my critical angle. So this here is 34 degrees, and if it was the angle was, shall I say, this angle got greater away from the normal, then we would get total internal reflection, just like that third there. The mark scheme here, before you disappear off, the mark scheme here gives an answer of 37, I think, but that's rounding that off, that 0.5 recurring to 0.6. So you might get that answer if you've rounded that off. Generally, just try to round off at the end of the answers.